morning everyone. Friends, we came to our field side for supervision our field. How is our field we supervision for we came friends. See friends, this one approximately 1.5 acres land. This one we cultivating my brother cultivating the cotton crop. See friends, the cotton, this 2 feet of height grown, and this cotton plant given the approximately 40 leaves. See friends, how this one very healthy crop going on and growing. See friends, very lush green, and see friends, entire this one how is the lush green going on, and this growing with the healthiest
2 feet that grown
2 feet grown already said na 2 feet are grown. You know this one the
almost that flowers also coming down, growing down,
and this plant given the cotton plant given the approximately 50 leaves. See friends, you know, once I show this soil. See friends, this right now also very wheat, this wheat and this soil with giving the
to take it more madam,
giving the food to the plants for growing. Yesterday evening friends, this is the special of the growing of the plant or any crop. See friends, our this one entire this very lush green and very healthiest growing going on. See friends, this is the early crop this one, and our brother cultivating this one, and we came for giving supervision, and how is our crop for Naveen came this side friends. This is our crop.
What about your side?
What about your side crop, the cotton or any crops, how they are growing, and what is the situation of the your side crop? Comment it friends. So what is the rain situation also? The how the rain coming, the what is the up and downs of the rains, and what is the crisis of the rains? You are also say about the your field experience. This is our field experience and our field this one friends. Very green, lush green, no entire, no one not the any problem have. The all the plant
Very healthiest. There is no any fungus or either pest.
Yes.
And weeds also, you know, wherever you see, here is one plant was died. That's why they are replaced with the another seeds.
Yes.
This only one tray only died, madam. Entire field you see.
See,
you
this
see
one, entire this one. This row completely with the healthiest plant all there. That one. Okay friends, this is your side also say about and comment it friends. Thank you, JB.